As we approach 1 year since Hurricane Ian made landfall in Southwest Florida, tonight many in Southwest Florida are still finding ways to apply the lessons learned, all in an effort to avoid repeating what we saw a year ago.
Yeah, in Northport, where we saw it flooded roads, flooded homes there. Many first responders, they were impacted as well. Tampa Bay's Adoria Chumba, she spoke with the city's police chief, about their recovery so far.
We're still in that rebuilding process. You know, I still have employees that are displaced because of the storm, and we're working in a building that's still broken.
Along with residents, first responders in communities like Northport are still dealing with challenges caused by Hurricane Ian. Like many homes, even the police station is still in need of some repair.
Our roof has been compromised, and we're due for a new roof. Anytime we have new storms that are coming upon us, and Florida rains a lot, right? So that water finds its way into our station quite a bit.
The city's emergency leaders say they recorded 7 deaths from Ian, and firefighters and police responded to more than 1,300 incidents. Some of their homes among the thousands damaged.
When that storm sat on us for so long, just beating on us and beating on us and beating on us, I think that's when you saw the attitude and concern really start to shift to one direction, that we knew that we were going to have a much stronger situation to deal with than initially anticipated. When you're hit with a storm of that magnitude and you have such infrastructure damage, main thoroughfares were shut down, I-75 was shut down, it caused a lot of problems within the city. So
Garrison says mutual aid from neighboring departments helped maintain safety and order, allowing the city's first responders to take stock of their own losses. Ian also put a spotlight on areas for improvement, including storm response, rescue training, and upgrading equipment, including high-power water vehicles and boats for water rescues.
You can always do things better. Sometimes, you can only do so much preparation for a storm of that magnitude.
In Northport, Adoria Chumba, 10 Tampa Bay.
In all, damage to Northport-owned facilities amounts to about $7 million. City leaders say that they are pursuing funding opportunities to make some of these goals that you just heard happen. That includes through Resilient SRQ. We've told you about the federal Community Development Block Grant Disaster Recovery Program.